Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to create an email campaign using Convertkit. Hey guys, so let's get started. First of all, you have to sign up for using Convertkit, and then you have to choose a plan. Right now I am on a 14 days trial. You can also get started with a trial if you just want to explore. And after initial sign up, this is our dashboard, and we have grow where we have subscribers, landing pages and form, creator profile. Then we have send where we have broadcast, email templates, sequence, snippets. And then we have automate where we have different kind of automations like visual automation, integration, rules and RSS. And we also have earning options like we can sell our products, we can also collect money from audience, and then there is learn. And this is our account settings. So for creating an email template, go to send and then broadcast. So broadcast are one-time email that are sent to all of your subscribers, and you can create a broadcast only if you have any subscribers. So click on new broadcast, and here we have bunch of different templates, so choose from any of this. So this is the one which I have chosen, and now we have to make couple of editing here. So I am replacing this text, no, not this one, but this one as my company name. And then I also want to change this background image, so I'll go to header and background image, and I just have to drag and drop an image from my files. And now I'll also change this text, or maybe I'll just replace it because I don't need this much of text in just a welcome email. And this email also collect tips from its viewers, so I don't need it for now, so I'll remove it or maybe replace it with know more about us. And I'll also change this button, and then I have to enter my URL here, so I'm going to enter my website URL here. And I also want to add an background image to this footer, so I'll just simply click on it and then layout, and here background image. And again I have to just drag and drop the image. So this image doesn't fit in this box, so what I'm gonna do is edit image, and I'll crop this image so that to fit it in a box. Okay, now done. And we also have many more editing options, but we are skipping that part for now. So we are done designing our template, and now I'm going to hit continue. One thing that I forgot to do is to change the subject line, so instead of new broadcast I'll write welcome message, and it also has a preview text here, so I'll write thanks for choosing us. And then continue. And you can preview it from here, and this will be your company email or maybe your working email. And then we have to select our subscribers. Right now I have 0 subscribers because I don't have any, but you have to add your subscribers during sign-in process, and I won't be able to continue from here because I don't have any subscribers. So apart from email or broadcast, you can create a landing page or sign up form using Convertkit, and also automation services are provided by Convertkit. So optimize every tool to grow your audience, and hope you guys find this helpful. And if you have any queries, please comment down, and thanks for watching my video.